In gardens of dreams, where colors entwine, aesthetic beauty in every design. Each petal a canvas, a masterpiece true. Nature's own artwork, in every hue. Sunsets ablaze was their fiery delight, painting the sky in a magnificent flight. The moon's gentle glow, a silvery gleam, casting a spell, like a wistful dream. Mountains that stand, majestic and tall, their beauty unmatched, they enthrall. Rivers that dance, with a shimmering grace, reflecting the sky in a watery embrace. In the eyes of a loved one, a spark so divine, aesthetic beauty in every glance, every sign. In art, in music, in all that we see, beauty surrounds us, endlessly free. So cherish each moment, each sight, each sound. For aesthetic beauty in life is profound. In the unique and the beautiful, we find our way. Aesthetic beauty, forever to stay. Thanks for watching.